I'd have to say the best part of my job is helping to create wealth for our investors. Stronghold's successful investment model allows wholesale investors to pool together their equity in order to purchase larger properties that provide relatively higher returns via economies of scale. As a boutique funds manager, our directors are involved in the day-to-day running of the company. We are actively involved in the property sector and are invested in our products on a personal and professional level. Our executive team has a complementary skill set and a combined experience of over 50 years in the financial management of commercial real estate. I think the balance works really well for us as a business and for our investors.
It's obviously really important that people have diversification in their investment portfolios. The old saying that you shouldn't have too many eggs in one basket is certainly true and has been proven time and time again. We have a mantra that rather than have a manager make broad brush diversification decisions, it's more beneficial for each investor to seek and select a relevant expert in each asset class. So if you're looking at the allocation of part of your portfolio to property, and in particular commercial property, then I certainly think you should look at one of our funds because we stick with what we know well.
The future of our economy and where and how we work are changing. The trend is that we are looking to work closer to home and we want easy access to parking. Currently, 85% of all metropolitan jobs are based in the suburbs, and as congestion increases, we believe demand for workplaces closer to where people live will increase significantly. I'm a firm believer in the suburban economy, and I'm convinced that when you invest in what you know, you minimise your risk.
We're proud of what we've created, and why wouldn't we be? In under 5 years, we've built a great portfolio with more than $180 million worth of quality assets under management. Our investors, including friends and family in some cases, are all benefiting. Stronghold continues to perform across our asset class, consistently achieving cash returns from 8 to over 11% per annum. At Stronghold, you communicate with a core group of people. We have a particular interest in the outcome of your investment. We are co-investors ourselves, which is why our remuneration is based on fund earnings. We focus daily on keeping costs low and earnings high.
Your track record is really what matters most. It is the be-all and end-all. With any investment, if you can see what's been done before, you can have greater confidence in what's to come. Our key people all invest in our trusts, and I think that's a big thing. Believing in what you do enough to back yourself.
We think there is more to an investment strategy than running with the mainstream. With bank cash rates at near historically low levels, there are still great opportunities like our trusts to make your money work harder for you. We keep our eyes and ears open and talk to people every day. In our view, research, experience and relationships are the fundamental foundations on which wealth is built.